So, good morning. First of all, thank you very much for coming here because many, I would say, those events that are more than 1,000 people are already canceled. We are under 1,000, so that's good. Before we start with all the speakers in the session 1 and session 2, I would like to give you a small opening about why we are doing this event and about the background of our Cybersecurity Center here in Darmstadt, and also my co-organizers that I'm going to introduce first, and then they are going to say whatever they want to say to you. So I would say good morning, ladies and some gentlemen. When this thing, okay, next. Does it work? Not? It doesn't work. So we restart again. I have to repeat. Not repeat. This is the one, yes? Okay, hallelujah, hallelujah. Okay, so some time ago, my co-organizer, Juliane Krämer from TU Darmstadt, my name is Ahmad-Reza Sadeghi from TU Darmstadt, Nele Mentens from KU Leuven, and Lejla Batina from Radboud University. We had a discussion about women in cybersecurity because all of us are doing cybersecurity or cryptography. However, one thing that was missing is general women in technology. We know that there are lots of different events all over the world. And we thought maybe we just started in Darmstadt as well because we have a very big cybersecurity center, but also a number of other technological, I would say, departments. They're doing, for example, artificial intelligence and other things. And as you know, all these universities, also KU Leuven and Radboud universities, are very well known for their security research or privacy research, but then we just kind of generalize it to more technological aspects. So let me go for some seconds through Cybersecurity Center here. This is the commercial that comes. What is actually CySec? We call it CySec. It's I give you some facts and figures about it. First of all, we have 270 researchers here, including 23 professors. They are doing research in all aspects of cybersecurity and privacy. We have around 70 million euro funding from 2017 to 2019. The center was founded in 2008. It's a very international center, and it has interdisciplinary research. 7 different departments from human sciences to physics are involved. And there is a big industry landscape because Darmstadt, although a small place, is a kind of mini, I would say, Silicon Valley in Germany, or you can define it like this. What is important? We are hiring. So if you are intending to do a PhD or even bachelor or master, please talk to me. But before we start, and before I give it the stage to my colleagues, I'm obliged to make this remark about a global threat, and that's coronavirus. Seems to be concerning many of us. We also have hand sanitizers for microphones in case you have questions. We first clean it and give it to you. I don't know if it's going to help, but I'm just saying that. There are some precautionary advisory. First of all, no hugs, no kisses, and no touching. That is what we have to tell you. I mean, you can decide yourself. You can do fake kissing, but we decided for the bear greeting. You can exercise it during the break. Okay, if you are not feeling good, and it is not because of talk, or it is not because of me, then please just talk to my secretary at the door, not to me, and then and go home, okay? We really want you to be to enjoy the event and be safe, because jokes apart, we really want actually a safe scientist, a happy scientist. And with that, I think I give it to my colleague Juliane.
Welcome, also from my side. So I'm really happy to see so many of you at this event, High Tech Women. And before we start this event, I would like to draw your attention to another event, which is Crossfire. So Crossfire is a workshop for female young researchers working in cryptography. And if you are a female young researcher working in cryptography, this event might be very interesting for you. We have included a link to this workshop on our website, and you also find advertising material at the registration table. I'm not only talking about Crossfire because it's a great event, but also because it somehow inspired us to organize this high-tech women event today. Crossfire was founded in Darmstadt 10 years ago, and as I said, it is intended to bring together female young researchers in cryptography. And when we discussed the idea of this event today, we thought that it's also a good idea to bring together women in the broader field of science and technology who already achieved a lot to encourage and empower young women. So this is the topic of today, and I'm looking very much forward to this day.
Okay, so welcome also from my side. I'm happy to see so many people. I don't have much to add because Ahmad already gave a long introduction and Juliane introduced Crossfire, so I hope you will enjoy the event. Yeah, and from my part you will hear more in my talk later today, so enjoy.
And good morning from me as well. So like Nele, I will also speak later and give a more explanation about also what we do in the Netherlands at Radboud, because we also find it very nice initiative, obviously, and we try to encourage students, young women also, to go for career in tech and in security especially. One thing that Juliane mentioned about Crossfire, I wanted also to add. So I'm the general chair of Eurocrypt this year, which is scheduled for second week of May in Croatia. We will try to stay under 1,000 to make sure it happens. And actually Crossfire that Juliane mentioned is one of the co-located events in Croatia. So there are flyers out there. If you're interested, they are also giving stipends for women, for students. Also male attendees are welcome. So yeah, just keep an eye on another great event coming up.
Just some organizational aspects. First of all, we are going to have really top people from industry, mainly actually from industry and also from academia, to give talks. If you have any questions on them or something like that, I hope that most of them are available. We have a very, very tight program, so that means the speakers should remain in time. We are already late. If you have questions, one or two questions, you can just make, but anything afterwards during the break. Second thing is, you know, Germany is a country of rules, sometimes too many rules, and you are not allowed to bring anything which is eatable or drinkable into this room, not because of coronavirus, but because it is a rule that I do not completely understand, but okay, this is a rule, just for you to know. So, I think first session, you are Nele, we start. You want this? So, do they want to have a microphone?
I think they already have.
Okay.
That's arranged. Yeah.